Now that you're getting kind of familiar with the system, let's go ahead and pair your phone. If you're looking to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, it's as simple as plugging in your phone and following the prompts. If you prefer to use Bluetooth, swipe over, click Settings, go to Connections, choose Bluetooth, select Connect New Device, make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled, and search for Hands-Free Link on your mobile phone. Once you select Hands-Free Link on your phone, it will ask you to confirm that the codes match, and if they do, click Pair, and you're connected. You can even select if you want your Bluetooth to be connected for just phone calls, just audio, or both. If you select both, your phone is now connected to your car just like a pair of headphones. So any incoming calls will be sent over your car's speakers, and you can talk to whoever's on your phone just as if they're in your car.